Hello everybody, welcome to today's video on unboxing the AES Dedicated Monitoring System, or DMS. First thing we're going to see when we open the box is going to be a very important notification. Alright, so we're going to want to take a look. You can see we have this big red stop sign. You need to have this certain version of software in order for the DMS to work on your network. It will not work with our older receivers. Next, we have the dedicated monitoring system. So we want to make sure that we don't throw away the transformer. We also have phantom antenna. This package includes our 601 key, a whip. This will connect the phantom antenna to the transceiver, as well as our phantom antenna. Make sure we don't have anything else in the box, and we can put that aside. One recommendation for a best practice when working with AES alarm panels is to make sure to always connect the antenna so that we don't have to worry about burning out the transceiver. So I'm going to go ahead and take out our packaging material, and we're going to connect the transceiver. So we want to put the BNC side onto our new 3D printed bracket. These are going to be much easier to use than our previous models of brackets. And then we're going to connect the threaded side to the bottom of the AES NMO mount. Now all we have to do is connect our phantom antenna to the top of the NMO mount. And that's all there is to installing the antenna in our dedicated monitoring system, or DMS. If you'd like to see how to power up and program the AES DMS, stay tuned for our next video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. Otherwise, thank you very much for taking the time to watch this video, and I hope you have a great day.